Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
And today we have the Virizion V showcase from Pokemon. We haven't done a Pokemon video in quite a long time now, so let's do it.
This is a Virizion V showcase. It includes one Virizion V, 3 Pokemon packs, which will be going 2 for me, 2 for us, well, 1 for us 2, and then 1 for you. And then
code card.
Yeah.
So
let's get it open. And lay everything else so we see how it looks. Oh, simple, just 3 packs and a promo card.
So there's the promo card.
Oh, it's like it's in its own little sleeve thingy.
Lost Origin, and Sword and Shield. Whoa, that one's pretty old. This was from like 2020.
Really?
Yeah, we got the code card there.
3 years old.
3 packs. And a Virizion card.
Pack number 1.
Every time.
I hope we get a Snorlax.
Yeah, we get the Snorlax from this card. Alright, so we got the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purple Energy, Bisharp, Salazzle, Doug Trio, Yamper, Krabby, Cuffant, Baltoy, Salandit, Scorbunny, and I see something good. Kramer and V. Alright, that's pretty good, We got a V card. Very nice. Pack number 2. Struggling more than me. You just bent the card. Look at that. Careful.
Promo. I mean,
Code card?
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
Let's see it.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Green Energy, Electric, Riley, Gloom, Newfound, Little Deagle, Ghastly, Ducklet, Surian Zoro.
Oh, it looks like you skipped the card.
Oh wait, no.
Whoa.
Centrox V,
You got 2 Centiskorch V, like, special
And there's another card behind.
Oh, wait. And the Galarian Per 2. Wow. That is
That's
pretty
good stuff, dude.
nice. Looky pack. Alright.
Pack number 3.
It's for our dad.
Okay. Let's see how I do with this.
Maybe you'll get something good.
So, code card.
Yep. And then 4 cards.
So,
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is what kind of energy?
Dark.
Dark energy.
It's been a while since I forgot.
Colorissa's Experiment. Kamala. Toolbox. Oddish. Growlithe. Licky Tongue. That's an old school one. Slugma. Clefairy. Lampent. Ooh, this looks cool. It's like shiny. This is the last one. And what do you guys hope it is? What could be the coolest card possible?
Giratina, like special card.
All right. Electros.
Good, I guess, yeah.
Electros.
Pretty good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that Pokemon video. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hit the bell icon so you never miss one of our amazing videos.
And we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.